Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's session, I'm going to tell you about HTML map. HTML map is the tag is used to define the image map. An image map is an image with clickable area. That we can click on particular area and we will get over there the particular output, and we can create the web page. We can search something. So here we
The
go.
body will be there. So after body, I want to put over there a background. That's going to be the radiance. So if you had missed it out my radiance video, so you can just go and have a look. So I'm just typing over there body style equal background black orange any color. I click over there. After this, I will close the tag. Then I click on run. Meanwhile, I just press enter. So you can see the color is there. Then what I will do, I will put over there H1. So if color I want to change it instead of black, I want to use peach. Okay. So H1 is there. So over here I'm typing over the HTML map. You can use any color, it's your wish. It's totally your wish. Then come over here the paragraph. So inside a paragraph, I am typing over here adding locations to your website. So anything we can type it. So we can learn how we can add Google Maps, iframes to our web page. Then click on run. Then move to next line. Then I'm using over the image. So you can just add over there any of the image according to your wish. So I'm just putting over there first of all the heights of the image, like how much the height I wanted. So suppose I'm using over there 300 pixels, then width equal 100 pixels. Then I'm putting src equal. Then I'm just opening a new tab and searching over here now, like any location, like India is very, very good. Over here, suppose I want over there this tourist place. I wanted this image. So I can just do the right click. I'm not able to use it. So what I can do, I can use over there this product. I taken over there copy image address and then paste it. Then I click on run. So basically the image will be appearing. Then I move to the next line. Then what I will do, I will just close height and width is really very small, so I can put 400 to see it. Yeah, that's fine. Now what I will do, I will put over there break, put break more, put over there H2 heading that I'm just putting over their location. So then what I will do, I want the iframes. So for that, I will just open your tab. I will search over the map. Yeah, so what I can do, so I want over the any of the locations. I'm just clicking over there. Now there is the search option at the left hand side. So I can just click on direction. I will get over the direction. So from India, I want to choose it. Then what I will do, I will just click on share. Then embed a map is there, then copy HTML. Then I go back on this. Then I paste it. Then press enter, close. Now I click on the run. Then let's check it out how it looks like. So you can see I can zoom it, I can scroll it here and there, I can make it tiny. Whatever I want to do, I will able to do it. Okay. So we can see all of the area like Saudi Arabia is there, Dubai is there. Like any of the thing we can see, northern part is there, Africa part is there. So we can zoom it and we can see it and we can just do the direction as okay. So properly you can see the output now. Let me just close this stuff for that. It's the proper refresh now. View large map, so you can just view it. So all of the function going to work in this. That's all about it. Thank you so much. Hey guys, hit like, share and subscribe. Keep tuning with Akriti Ka Pitara for more updates.